Good morning all. In this video I will be doing how to do the basic configuration of Yaskawa Servo drive in torque control mode. For that we need to open the software and communicate with the drive. So now I have opened the software. I have click on connect the servo plug and click on search, and I have connected through USB cable. I click on search for servo pack. So now I found the servo pack drive and motor model number, and I will click on connect. So now we have established the communication with the drive and our Sigma Win software. So here you can see there is servo on already, and there is POT and NOT warning display. For that I have already connected two digital inputs for pin number 42 and 43. Now we can see that there are no alarms after I have given POT and NOT, and I will review servo on. So now the motor shaft is free to rotate. So we will see now how to do the basic configuration for torque control mode. For that we need to go to menu item and click on edit parameters. Now we have to go to hierarchy level and we have to change the control method mode. So in control method mode we will be changing the method mode to torque control mode. So click on this and click on torque control mode and save the parameter, and after saving the parameter you have to restart the drive. Now I have switched off the drive. Now I will switch on the drive. Once you make any changes, you can see A.941 alarm in the drive. So I need to switch off and switch on the drive. So after switching on and switching off the drive, you can see there are no alarms, and you can see it is in power. So where do we give the analog input reference? For that we need to give in pin number 9 and 10. So 9 is your reference and 10 is your ground. So need to go and monitor what is the reference. So go to edit parameters and check what is your torque reference input gain. That is around 3 volt. 3 volt is nothing but 0.01 multiplied, so 30 is nothing but 3 volt. So what we will try to do is we will try to check with the basic operation. So these will be default. So I will make it everything to 100 and right. Now we will try to check on monitor after giving servo on. So now I have given servo on, so the motor will start to rotate. Okay. So you have to be careful whenever you are giving servo on and make sure that your pot level reference is 0, otherwise it will overshoot and go to a higher speed. So how to limit that speed? You have to go to edit parameters and limit the speed to 500 rpm. So here you can see in the monitor, now I have not applied any torque, still the motor will be rotating at 500 rpm. So now I will try to give the input reference voltage. I will go to IO allocations and check what is the input voltage given. Okay, I need to close edited parameters. When edit parameters screen is visible, then you will not be able to monitor the digital inputs and outputs. So now you can see this option is enabled. So I can see here what is the torque reference is 0%. So I'll try to increase the torque reference. So once I increase the torque reference, the motor start rotating. So here you can see what is the motor RPM also. So still I have not applied any torque. So I'll try to apply some torque. Okay, I'll try to reduce the reference and I try to apply the torque. Now you can see the internal torque is around 4%. Once I give input, the motor start to rotate. So once you apply some torque, the motor will stop, right? So in torque control mode, we have to check what is the input voltage. So I will change the voltage characteristics. I will go to IO allocation. I will close this and I will try to update the gain. So I will try to increase the gain to 10 volt. So I will go here and decrease to 10 volt and I will update. Once you updated, the motor came to halt. So the motor is not rotating anymore. So I'll try to give some reference. So I have given some basic reference. So motor is running at 500 RPM.